One of the things that we know about life is that it is always changing. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. Sometimes things go real well, and sometimes they don't. Sometimes you're happy, and sometimes you're sad. Now that's that thing called life. And when we begin to understand and know that, accepting that reality that we will never ever have things just on an even keel all the time, that you're going to have some ups and you're going to have some downs, but during those down moments, that's where the growth takes place.
When I feel uninspired, I usually do one thing. That one thing is necessary for me to reevaluate my actions, recharge, and get back on track with a fresh perspective. It's an early morning drive for me, by myself. No phone, no social interactions, or any other day-to-day distractions. It's just me, my car, and maybe a cup of my favorite coffee for the road. No plan, no specific destination, and no time boundaries. I make myself fully open to receive any thoughts, ideas, realizations that come to my mind, and make sure to stay present to experience and feel the beauty around me. When you fully accept yourself and you open your heart for your surroundings, you may be surprised what you will find, realize, or encounter.
See, but the real challenge of growth, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, comes when you get knocked down. Somebody said that adversity introduces a man to himself or a woman. When you're facing a challenge, you want to get unstuck. Evaluate where you are. Look at it, assess yourself. Assess yourself and assess the situation. What brought you there? What role did you play? Earl Nightingale had a saying I like. He said, all of us are self-made, but only the successful will admit it. What has brought you to this point? What did you learn from it? Are you learning anything, or are you doing it over and over and over again? Somebody said that insanity is doing the same thing in the same way, expecting a different outcome. Life isn't fair. Life just is. It's not fair that birds eat worms, and they do. If you want to begin to move, you've got to clear your mind of all the unnecessary luggage and baggage that's weighing us down. I say to you, you're going to have people to do things to you. Things are going to happen to you. And the most important thing to do is to harness your will and let it go and move so you can grow.
So my advice to you, if you feel uninspired, Do not be afraid to step away and take time for yourself. We can find all of the answers inside of us. We just have to truly listen.